Today we are looking at a Kelly Duplex 4212 large horizontal paddle mixer. This unit brings a whole new meaning to the term heavy duty. The tub on this unit is 1/4 inch thick. The unit is equipped with a 4-inch solid steel shaft. Everything about this unit is heavy duty, extremely overbuilt, very well made. This is a mixer built to last a lifetime. This particular unit was last used in 1988. That's when the mill was shut down and it never restarted. Just doing a complete walk around of this unit. Then we will go over the various features. This is a 2-ton or 4,000 pound capacity at 32 pounds per cubic foot. This is just a very, very heavy duty industrial mixer. Can be used in several things such as feed or plastics. The unit is also equipped with a large 5 horsepower powered screw conveyor that is designed to remove the product from the discharge spout there. We'll now start going over all of the features of the unit. This Kelly Duplex 4212 mixer has been completely upgraded with a digital scale. As you can see here, this is all brand new equipment from Southern Illinois Scale. They are a very good company that we use here at Commodity Traders International, and they will service this machine if you have any issues. The scale head on this unit is a Rhinestrum. It is set to break in 5-pound increments, and as I said, it is from Southern Illinois Scale. You can see their number there for any service you would need on the scale. This unit is equipped with a 3-phase 40 horsepower 230 460 volt Reliance electric Duty Master motor. This motor has been put through our motor shop. The unit has all new bearings and has been completely checked out and is ready to run for a long time. The gearbox has had the oil changed and inspected. This gearbox is ready to run for a long time. The screw conveyor is equipped with a 5 horsepower 230 460 volt 3-phase motor. As you can see, we made an all new top for this unit. It is ready for inlet spouts to be put in it. Just a good inspection here of the top of the mixer. This Kelly Duplex mixer uses number 200 roller chain. The sprockets on this unit are like new. This unit was installed and never did a lot of work. Looking here at the top of the unit, you can see we have a grate so no one falls into the unit. And looking here in the mixing chamber, you can see the unit is like new. The unit has been blasted and primed. It's just a very, very nice mixer all the way around. We will show this in operation as well. This is a very, very heavy duty seed mixing system. It was previously used in a feed mill. Again, the mill shut down in 1988. The screw in the screw conveyor is not sharp. It's a very good indicator of low hours on the unit. This unit did not see a lot of use. This unit is also equipped with a rack and pinion gate. As you can see here, we turn to the left to open. It works as it should. Doing this one-handed. Rack and pinion gate closes perfectly as it should. and spins very well. Everything on this unit just works perfectly. We have the unit running for you now. The unit just hums right along. The motor starts strong and runs strong. There are no irregular noises. As I said, the motor has been through the shop. We thoroughly inspected the gearbox to make sure it is in operating condition. This is just a very, very nice heavy-duty mixer. You can see we have our rotation sticker here as well. Unit just hums right along and works as it should. Just a very, very nice heavy-duty mixing system. We'll now look up inside the mixing chamber. Here you can see we have the unit running. Unit just hums right along with no irregular noises. The unit does have an echo to it since it doesn't have product inside of it, but you can see the unit is just running perfectly, running exactly as it should. Just a very, very nice system all the way around. You can see the motor running perfectly. We'll do a full walk around with the unit running. There was no expense spared in the restoration of this unit. We have all new digital components for the scale system. We got rid of the analog scale system. I wanted to note that this unit will come with hardware to mount down to the scale base. As you can see, the unit has threaded holes to accommodate hardware. The unit will come with hardware to mount down to the scale base. Moving on to the screw conveyor. This unit has been completely sandblasted, primed, and painted. The 5 horsepower 3-phase electric motor has been to our motor shop. It has been completely rebuilt with all new bearings. Here you can see the unit just running right along as it should with no irregular noises. This unit also has a brand new bearing on the back here. Note that this is an interference fit. The unit does not have a lock collar. That is how the factory had the unit set up. It is an interference fit on that bearing. The gearbox on this unit has been cleaned and serviced, inspected to make sure it is ready to run for a long time. We're now going to incline the conveyor so you can get an idea and approximate measurements of the unit when it would be fully set up. Here you can see how the unit would be installed. This was a complete Kelly Duplex feed mill. This screw conveyor was sold with the unit. If you would not be interested in the screw conveyor, that can be removed and the price would be reduced of the mixer if you were only interested in that. We will now go over some measurements. The discharge height is 40.5 inches on this. Note that this is an approximate measurement because the unit is still bolted to the skid. So this will change. These are approximate measurements of the discharge height at 40.5 inches. The inlet height is 37 inches. Again, these are approximate measurements. This can change for your operation, up or down. The length of the screw conveyor is 8 feet. We have a more in-depth video just on the screw conveyor on our channel. See the description box below for a link to that video. Moving on to the mixer, the discharge height of the rack and pinion gate is 36 inches from the bottom of the spout there to the bottom of the yellow channel iron there. We have the unit setting on 6x6s for ease of movement. The discharge height is 36 inches from there to the bottom of the channels. We are now going to go over some shipping dimensions. The length of the screw conveyor is 122 inches. These are shipping dimensions. The width of the screw conveyor pallet is 35 inches. The maximum height of the screw conveyor from the bottom of the pallet to the top of the inlet spout there is 45 inches. Again, these are shipping dimensions. The length of the mixing scale base is 16 feet or 192 inches. The width of the mixer scale base is 66 inches. The height from the bottom of the scale channel iron to the very top of the motor lifting eye is 10 foot 3 inches or 123 inches. This Kelly Duplex 4212 has a working capacity of 126 cubic feet. It has a total capacity of 168 cubic feet. The unit has a 4,000 pound capacity at 32 pounds per cubic foot. It has a 6,000 pound capacity at 50 pounds per cubic foot. This is a very heavy duty, robust mixing system. They really do not build them like this anymore. This is a very, very heavy duty, well-built mixer. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, grain, feed, and recycling equipment, please reach out to us. A link will be in the video description down below and following the video. Thank you so much for watching.